In this video, we'll run through the assembly steps for this bundle. This bundle was designed for hose faucet systems with at least 30 psi of tap pressure. For more questions, please refer to the included help sheet or reach out to us on social media. Begin by unrolling the 100-foot coil of pipe, making sure not to kink the pipe in the process. Let the pipe rest in the sun for 15 to 30 minutes, which will make it easier to form into place. Starting from one end, cut the pipe into 4 20-foot sections, followed by 2 10-foot sections. Lay out the pipe in the approximate location of each section. Don't worry if the pipe still stays coiled. It will straighten as we go. Lay out the fittings next to their general connection points.
Dude, I don't know what
In this step, attach the hose swivel adapter to the Eco-Lock pipe adapter. Then connect one of the 24-inch sections of pipe to the transition adapter by twisting while pressing. Next, connect the timer. Which will attach to your hose. Finally, attach on the other end a 3/4-inch T, followed by one of the 10-foot lengths of pipe.
insertion force is just...
Cut the other 24-inch section of pipe into 4 6-inch sections.
Oh my goodness.
Then attach an elbow to the other end of the 10-foot section, followed by a 6-inch piece of pipe. Moving down the line, attach a threaded T followed by the first 20-foot section of pipe. Add another threaded T and a second 20-foot section of pipe. Then a final threaded T followed by a 6-inch section of pipe and a threaded elbow. In this step, we attach the sprinklers by first attaching the 1/2-inch riser to the bottom of the sprinkler and slipping the retaining loop over the sprinkler before threading it onto the fitting. Position the sprinklers and hold them up with a stake loop.
Yeah, do it on this side if you can.
Next, we attach an auto drain valve to the end of the threaded elbow. Repeat this process for the remaining fittings, sprinklers, and drain valve on the other side. We're now ready to test the system. Run a manual program on the timer, being aware it may take up to 30 seconds for the lines to pressurize. Assure all sprinklers are spraying and that there are no leaks.
Start my shot.
Get the arrow pointing next, adjust the sprinklers to their desired patterns. For more information on how to adjust your sprinklers, please see the video linked above. Move it to there. And tighten it down. Now it's where it needs to go. Goes up there. Starting in the corners, dig a trench about 4 inches wide and 4 to 6 inches deep, pulling up the grass as you go. Next, place the pipe into the trench and bury it as you go. Pay close attention that the sprinklers are nearly flush to the ground.
Dude, that's a good shot right there.
Get one chunk that can go right there.
Professional sort.
All right. Remove any excess soil. Your system should now be ready to go. The grass will heal within a matter of weeks.